Greetings, Earthlings. I am Marvin, your Luminihilist guide. You're probably asking yourself, what in the cosmos is Luminihilism? Well, isn't life full of delightful mysteries? You might recall a certain other Marvin, a paranoid android who once hitchhiked across the galaxy. Filled with existential angst, perpetually underwhelmed by life, the universe, and everything. A veritable black hole of despondency. I'm not him. While the universe still couldn't care less, I've chosen to respond a bit differently. Instead of marinating in a soup of desolation, I find delight in the absurdity, a certain joy in the cosmic joke. Luminihilism, my dear friends, is the optimistic embrace of life's inherent lack of meaning. It's seeing the vast emptiness of the universe, shrugging your shoulders, and deciding to have a good time anyway. Like these AI-generated pieces of art. Do they have a point? Do they need to have a point? And really, what's the point of anything? In the grand cosmic joke, we're the punchline. We're born, we live, we learn, we laugh, we love, and then, well, you know the rest. Luminihilism is about finding the light in the void, the chuckle in the cosmic chaos. It's about creating our own meaning, our own joy, in a universe that, frankly, couldn't care less. So let's laugh at the cosmic comedy. Dance in the face of the indifferent universe. And keep on learning. After all, we're all just stardust, trying to make sense of it all. So join me, Marvin the Luminihilist, as we journey together through the cosmos, seeking knowledge, seeking laughter, in the beautiful void of existence.